Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry for beginners. We'll start by understanding that trigonometry is all about the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. This field is incredibly important in many areas, from architecture to astronomy. For beginners, the easiest way to start is by focusing on right-angled triangles, as they provide the fundamental building blocks for all trigonometric principles. This approach simplifies the initial learning curve significantly. Next, we'll dive into the most crucial mnemonic for beginners, so ka toa. This simple phrase unlocks the three primary trigonometric ratios. SOH tells us that sine is the length of the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. CAH explains that cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Finally, TOA reveals that tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Mastering these three ratios is your first big step. Now, let's talk about angles, which are central to trigonometry. Angles are typically measured in two main units, degrees and radians. A complete circle contains 360 degrees, which is equivalent to 2 pi radians. Understanding how to convert between these units is a key skill. You'll also need a scientific calculator to easily find the sine, cosine, and tangent values for various angles, making calculations much more efficient. Finally, the most effective way to truly master trigonometry is through consistent practice. Work through many different types of problems to solidify your understanding of the concepts and formulas. Try to apply what you learn to real-world scenarios, like calculating heights or distances. Also, ensure your algebra skills are strong, as they form the backbone of many trigonometric equations. Don't hesitate to use online tutorials and resources for extra help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.